Bro, we're going to do 8K. That's what we're doing. I want to see if it does it, dude.
It can definitely do it. We just won't see it because it's not an 8K screen, but that's all
Yeah.
right.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, but I still want to see, like, what it would be.
It's still rendering the full 8K, so.
Yeah. What? 60?
Oh, yeah. That is running hard.
Bro. So 50 to 60 FPS. Or, so is it...
That's still 100% in playable range, though. Like,
Bro, 8K, dude? See, if you guys ever want a PC, like, I'm getting rid of this to the same exact price I paid for it. I do, dude. This would be dope. I have so much fun building those. Because I have, like, it's what I do for a living, is the videos, you know, so it's kind of like doing stuff like that. It's like the best feeling ever to give back to people, you know? Dude, 8K 60, and it's still like what that freaking laptop is. Bro, that's outrageous. Check that out. That's crazy, bro.
Yeah, we'll see. It really kicks up once all the stuff on the desk starts to.
Yeah.
So it'll kick up momentarily.
Oh, I'm recording. You guys, I'll zoom in if you guys, whatever, want to see the numbers.
Oh yeah, buttery smooth transition.
For what games do you play?
Borderlands.
Yeah, that's a fun game.
Minecraft.
Yeah.
That's easy.
Dude, Minecraft, so like when you start applying shaders, it takes a toll on your computer, to be honest.
Absolutely.
I'm the one who loves Minecraft.
Yeah. It's a fun game. I still play it. Super Mario Maker is one of my favorites.
Classic.
Yeah. Oh, you can't even hear the computer. That's so nuts, dude. Can yours do this?
Not
Your
at 8K.
computer?
No way. Not
No?
Not 8K. No way.
That's outrageous, bro. Now I want to keep that CPU cooler. I mean, I guess the lian one will be good too, but can't make videos on the same exact stuff all the time, you know? Is that good or bad?
No, that's still really good.
For all the people that like numbers.
Like decent gaming computers